Hello everybody. I'm going to show you today how you can use Eclipse to create a new Java program and do an application using a data structure called ArrayLists in Java. So this is Eclipse standard download. I'm doing file new. You want to use other and type for Java. So it'll show you that you want to create a Java project. Enter a name for the project. So my Java Proj 1, just a sample. It selects the default Java SE execution environment, runtime environment, and it's creating. So open associated perspective. This kind of project is associated with the Java perspective, so you could choose to open it so it's more specific to Java. Okay, so now you have an src folder. So you create new package. So create a package name saying com.app.test or com.app.collections to have this package, to have all the collections classes, and then create like a new Java class. My ArrayList example, just give it like a class name. Okay, so now you add like a public static void main standard string args. In this program, let us say I want to create an array list. You want the array list to contain strings. Array list of string ArrayList is equal to new array list of string. So it doesn't compile right now because you have to import the package. ArrayList dot add, you can add any string, like string 1, and then you can add another string 2. ArrayList dot add of 3. And if you want to print out all the items in the array list, you use like an iterator. So you say iterator it is equal to ArrayList dot iterator. So you get the iterator, while it dot has next, if there is still a next item on the iterator. So what this iterator does is it locks it on this array list and keeps looping through the array list. So now you say system dot out dot println of it dot next. So the it dot next will be returned as an object, so you need to cast it to a string item in the array list. So say that an item in the array list is this plus this. Okay, let's see what the error is. Add argument types to iterator. So it's saying that you can cast it to iterator to contain just strings, because our array list contains strings. It's better to make it type safe. So let's see what this program is outputting. So right click, run as Java application. So you see that it prints 1, 2, 3. So this is an example of how we can use the Eclipse IDE to create a Java program.